So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang IP address and calls sa ating messenger account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating messenger account or yung ating messenger app. And then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa chat list or inbox ng ating messenger, itap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And then after nyo, tap naman natin yung settings button para mapunta tayo sa ating settings ng messenger. Then dito sa settings ng messenger guys, i-scroll up nyo lang. And then itap nyo dito yung privacy and safety. So makikita nyo siya dito sa section ng preferences. And then dito sa privacy and safety, i-scroll up nyo lang. And kung makikita nyo, dito sa pinakang dulo sa advanced mode, meron dyang protect IP address and calls. So, take note nga pala guys, dapat updated yung messenger na gagamitin ninyo para may bagong features na dumagdag sa inyong application. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys, dito sa advanced, itatap nyo lang yung protect IP address and calls. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa right side, mayroong switch button. Ang gagawin lang natin is itatap natin yung switch button katulad nito hanggang sa maging kulay blue siya. So, once na naging kulay blue na, ibig sabihin naka-enable na or naka-turn on na yung protect IP address and calls natin. So, once kasi guys na naka-enable yung protect IP address and calls, hindi basta-basta malolocate yung location natin through call or kapag may kausap tayo sa messenger. So, yun yung kagandahan kapag naka-turn on yung protect IP address natin. So, secure yung safety ng ating account. So, ito kasi guys is yung bagong dagdag na features ni Messenger. So, lahat daw is secure by Meta services. So, yun nga lang guys, kapag naka-turn on ang protect IP address, nakaka-reduce siya ng quality. So, ayan lang guys, ganyan lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang IP address and call sa ating Messenger. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Life, every day, late at night, not okay.